Hello, and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA shows some upside momentum today, not only potential, but actually momentum. The price has left the support region, the upper micro support that we talked about there in our yellow scenario. The price left it to the upside, this support zone. And it is obviously possible that this wave 2 bottomed, right? I'm talking about the wave 2 that potentially formed here on Monday after the price bottomed in a corrective pullback, at least locally. And then this might have been another 1-2 setup. And we're now watching to see if the market can generate the upside momentum that not only short-term generates price increases, but something that is more lasting. So from an Elliott wave point of view, it is quite simple. We could watch for higher prices as long as the price holds above the 78.6 retracement located at 80.9 cents, here. Because this initial move up that started on the 20th of December and ended on the 21st is a potential impulse. So it could be an upside impulse with a corrective pullback afterwards, and then the price reacted where it needed to here at the golden ratio level before breaking and sustaining below upper support. And that indicates, well, I could still, get away with this 1-2 setup. I can at least justify that scenario. Okay, but I have to say, we only have a 3-wave rally from the low. So it's not confirmed yet. I also intentionally in previous updates told you I want to see a sustained break above the upper boundary line. Well, we haven't seen that yet. And a break above the 94.6 cent level, and better even, a break above 99.8 cents. Because this is the top of the wave 1, and from an Elliott wave point of view, this is needed. A break above that level is needed for a confirmation that a low really has formed in circle wave 4 on the 20th of December, and then this was a 1-2 setup, and that confirms further we are in a third wave. Now, if the third wave to the upside is unfolding, then it should take us to, I think there is a very, very clear level that we can watch. I think it's 120. Oh, yeah, it's 120. It's 1.20. That's the 138% extension. This level is very, very important. Why is that? Because a third wave, should get to that 138% extension. It's like guidelines, if we don't even get there, then I can tell you from experience, it would be quite a weak third wave, and I wouldn't even call it a viable third wave. So that is what I would like to see next, that the price gets to that 138% extension target. So there is much more work to do for the bulls, right, to confirm further if we've really bottomed. But this is certainly a promising reaction to the support region, probably the most promising rally that we have now seen since the 20th of December. But it's not yet a sustained upside breakout. We simply just moved out of the support area to the upside. And if Bitcoin really gets rejected in its current resistance area, then it's going to be tough. But if Bitcoin can break above, then also ADA should, I would say, follow through. The potential is there, but as you know, especially on smaller time frames, probabilities are quite dynamic, and it is important to stay flexible. So again, while I cannot confirm that the price has bottomed yet, because we haven't really crossed any critical levels, okay, it broke above this previous swing high. That's why I'm watching it, right? 91 cents here, these previous swing highs. But again, it's not a sustained breakout. I'd love it to have bottomed, right? And then could go higher, and, of course, But there is also the more cautious outlook, which is highlighted here in white, which suggests that the price could simply form a more complex correction. In this case, the price might form one more low. How exactly that would work, I'm not entirely sure. Could be a wave 5 as an ending diagonal. Could turn into something more complex, like a WXY structure or something. We would have to see. Because, it's important to understand, when does this yellow microstructure fail? So if we break below the Monday low, certainly it's failed. It could still attempt another reversal in the upper micro support area as long as the price holds above the 78.6 retracement at 80.9 cents. But any break below should send us into the lower support area, and then the focus would shift to that lower box. And it would simply mean that wave 4, that presumably bottomed on the 20th of December, that it's still unfolding. Yeah, at the moment, it's impossible to confirm that this wave 4 has really bottomed. I mean, I've labeled it like that, but I can't confirm it as such. The main reason why I'm tracking it like that is that because the rally from that 20th of December low, the initial rally, the reaction to that 38.2 retracement, which, by the way, is a very, very important support level for a fourth wave, well, that rally was quite impulsive. That's why I'm tracking it. Yeah, I think these are the levels that we now need to be watching. It should, it should give you some clarity, should give you some levels to watch. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.